Alright, well, it's about 8 in the morning right now. I'm just waking up. I picked an interesting spot to sleep last night. It's like a park in the middle of town. There's baseball fields and it seems like some sort of sports complex. So I'm definitely happy I didn't get kicked out of here last night by anyone or anything like that, because you definitely are not allowed to park here overnight. But I think I found a pretty good spot. I'm right up next to the trees, and the trees are in between me and the street, so I don't think too many people can see me. I'm in Denver, Colorado right now, and I've kind of just been going back and forth between Boulder and Denver. I definitely need to catch up on a bunch of things today, so I figured I would film a little bit of a day in the life of truck camping here. I'm really torn because I want to stay in Colorado for a lot longer, and there's so much to offer here. And you really can't see too much in a couple weeks, but I want to get to Alaska this summer. And if I want to do that, then I gotta see some of the Northwest states. I want to go to Wyoming, Idaho, maybe Northern California, Oregon, and Washington. In order to be able to do those in the next few weeks, I really just need to keep it moving if I want to get to Alaska this summer. Well, pretty good spot to post up and sleep last night. It's so bright already, I can't see. It was like 100 degrees yesterday, and it's only gonna get up to like 80 today. I went to the gym last night and cooked some dinner in the parking lot, and after that whole process, it was like 10:30. Figured I would just find a park to sleep at, so I just searched park into Google Maps, and I just kind of zoom in on them and see if there's like a parking lot or a secluded area around there where I can park. Alright, about to head to Starbucks to get some work done. I'm gonna have my normal breakfast this week of an apple and a Cliff Bar. That's what I've been eating. Kind of taking a little break from oatmeal. I've been having it for months on end. So I'm in Louisville, Colorado right now, I think it's called. The western side of Denver, and it's pretty close to, you know, like the highway to Boulder. But I've kind of just been staying on this outskirts because there's a Planet Fitness and a Walmart and a bunch of shopping in Denver and not as much in Boulder. Just been staying on the outskirts of this little area and going back and forth, and that's probably what I'll be doing today. 8:30 and waking up without a bathroom is always difficult, right? All right, I'm now done at Starbucks. It's about 2:50 right now, so I was there for like 5+ hours finishing editing and uploading and planning for the next steps to come. I usually edit and then upload a video, and then while I wait for it to upload, which is anywhere from like 1 to 4 or 5 hours. I've had videos take even 6 or 7 hours to upload, so I'm usually just chilling there and surfing the internet, checking out new places to camp and researching parks and all sorts of things. But I'm done with that for today, and I made a sandwich right now, and I'm currently driving to Walmart, so I'm gonna eat lunch and probably use the Walmart Wi-Fi a little bit in the parking lot and eventually get some groceries and then head to a campsite, I think. Here's my lovely lunch for the day. A nice turkey and cheese sandwich, nothing crazy. All right, finishing up at Walmart. Just loaded the truck, loaded up the cooler, cleaned it out. Got a fresh start on a bunch of different food, and it feels good. It definitely feels good to clean up the fridge. It kind of starts to smell pretty bad after just a week or two of groceries in there. Leaving Walmart now, and I think I'm going to head to Planet Fitness like I was talking about. Last little shower, last workout before heading into the forest. Well, finished up a pretty good workout at Planet Fitness. Just did a little chest day. Didn't feel like running today, so it was just like a half an hour quick workout. And got a nice shower in and shaved and everything, so I'm feeling good. Now that that's done, I am heading to my campsite. It's about an hour away in the national forest. It is called Beaver Reservoir Road. There's a bunch of different Forest Service roads in that area, so I really don't think I could go wrong even if I can't camp on the reservoir. I think it technically is the Arapaho National Forest. I might have that wrong. There's a bunch of different ones in the area, but I'm pretty sure it's Arapaho. Alright, well, found a decent campsite. I think I'll camp here. Could even pitch a tent somewhere if I wanted to. I don't know if I'll do that, but this is a good enough spot for tonight. It's pretty good. Alright, well, nothing crazy for dinner. I'm having leftover chicken and beans, and I'm making up some packaged noodles, some teriyaki rice noodles that I have right here. It's pretty cool tonight. It's like probably 50 right now, or in the 50s, and it'll probably drop at least 10 more degrees, so I decided to boil up some milk and make some hot chocolate out of the Swiss Miss. So that should be a really nice dessert for after dinner. Holy crap, it is so windy. It's like constantly at least 30-mile-an-hour winds right now. So just waking up, and I was hoping to make a nice omelet or something like that. A Denver omelet was on the menu, but I don't think I'll be able to cook at all with this wind. I mean, the gusts have to be like 40 miles an hour. I'm not very good at estimating wind speed, but I mean, more than 20 is a pretty fair guess. 30 might be a little more accurate. 40 might be stretching it a little, but I don't know, it's pretty strong.